We did a lot today. I think first and foremost, this is about America and Chattanooga, Tennessee, and the investments that we're making here and the growth we're making here. The second thing, it's about the product. Behind me is the Atlas Cross Sport. It's an addition to the Atlas family. And frankly, if you look at this segment, it's booming, it's growing. We've had great success with the Atlas, and now we're going to bring this sexy, beautiful SUV. So got a great reaction, and we're very excited. If you look at it, this segment is about 2.2 million cars, and it's sort of broken into two segments, if you will. One is the 7-seater, where we currently have our Atlas, which is doing fantastic. Sales are up 40%, as we've discussed. And now you also have the 5-seater. And the 5-seater makes up about 45% of that segment. That's why we see an opportunity. That's why we're launching this car, and it's going to be a great hit. The 7-seater is purely about family, 100%. People want that third row. They have the space needs, and they want it. You know, this group is less about family, and it's more about my car. This is a statement car. When you drive it, you get a reaction. It's about showing up. And when this car shows up, it has presence. Whether you're showing up at work, whether you're showing up to go visit your friends, or whether you're heading to the mountains, this car shows up. We just love the visual impact. So a little more style and a little more selfishness, if you will. The car's about me. The other car is much more about we. We're competing in the U.S. marketplace, and we feel here with the new setup that we have local manufacturing, we have local engineering, local design, and we're able to make products tailored for the market. So to me, it's a great balance. You have the core engineering of Volkswagen, which is great driving dynamics, great handling, great German engineering, mixed with a lot of Americana know-how and Americana packaging. You put them together, you have an Atlas, and that's working quite well. This is the world's second largest car market. We've been here in Chattanooga since 2008. We made the announcement. 2011, the first cars came off, and we've continued to invest in America. From the Passat to the two Atlases, and of course the future is electric. And in 2022, we'll be running an electric car off this platform. And when you think about it, to bring here into Chattanooga, Tennessee, this new game-changing 21st century technology makes me feel very proud, and all of us very excited. At Volkswagen, we're always looking to drive bigger. I think it's great to make cars, I think it's great to sell cars, commerce is great, but you always need to do something bigger. And whether it's for the environment with what we're doing behind electric cars, or it's for our communities and what we've done with local teachers, or it's for our veterans. And frankly, no one in this world is driving bigger than our veterans. And we think it's incumbent upon us when they come home from serving their duty that we have opportunities for them. So we found a great organization, hiring our heroes, and we're going to partner with them. And partnering with them is going to give our veterans opportunities in our plants, opportunities in our dealerships, opportunities anywhere in the Volkswagen ecosystem in America.